So the bottom of this red bowl is the river of the wetlands. You see? And this is from our science. And then there's clay under the sponge, the yellow sponge that's cut. And this is soil that's on top of the blue clay. It's actually Play-Doh. But anyway, I'm going to pour some water.
What does the water represent?
The water represents a heavy rain.
Mm-hmm. Wow, what's happening? What do you notice?
What do I notice? The water is sinking because it's soaking into the sponge. And the sponge represents the spongy soil.
Of what habitat?
Of the wetlands.
Mm-hmm. And before, when it didn't have the sponge, what happened to the soil?
It flooded down into the river.
And what did it take with it?
That wouldn't happen if there's no wetlands.
Okay, so what happened to the soil when it didn't have the spongy soil?
What happened to the soil?
Uh-huh.
It went down into the river too.
And so it washed away?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So now what's happening?
If I put the sponge there, it sinks into the sponge.
Mm.
But I think we have a problem. There's a hole in the clay right there, so it goes down under there into then it goes there. That's the problem.
But the sponge is keeping the soil from what?
From falling.
From washing away into the river,
Yep.
right? Good job, Joshua. What habitat is that?
The wetlands.
The wetlands. Okay. Say bye.
Bye. No, you have to ask me the question.
It says, what, I'll read the question. It says this. It says, what do you notice? You packed more soil into the clay behind the sponge and pour in water from the rim. Look carefully at the water that collects in the bottom of the bowl. What do you notice?
It's dirty because of the soil.
Right, but it's not as dirty as before, though, right?
Yeah.
So it has less soil in it. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay, good job. Say bye.
Bye.